As we have actually just discussed, the 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport will certainly most likely carry on with the same layout, which was presented in 2015 however additionally upgraded in 2019. That update brought a brand new layout, with new front lights, grille and also various other components, all based upon the brand name's contemporary dynamic shield design language. On the other hand, the mechanical element hasn't changed much considering that the initial launch. This model shares a lot with the L200/Triton pickup. Both designs ride on the same platform, share engines and many more things. Nevertheless, the Pajero Sport also comes with a couple of various technological remedies, specifically in terms of the back suspension arrangement. Instead of leaf spring times, it includes an extra modern, much more polished setup, which offers much better comfort and also overall trip quality. In regards to off-roading, several of the attributes you can obtain are 4x4, low-range tailoring, rear locking differential etc. The 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport interior will certainly additionally proceed similarly, without more important modifications. So, you might rely on the exact same layout, which provides good quality and a lot of capability. The dashboard looks excellent, though not as eye-catching as those in crossovers. You can notice a lot more traditional aesthetic appeals, hard touch products and similar things. On the other hand, the cabin is constructed very well and feels like it could last for years. Also, there is a suitable amount of technology and also benefit attributes you can obtain, including an 8-inch infotainment display. This is a well-equipped machine, and we believe that the 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport will certainly carry on similarly. Base variations need to feature rewards like 18-inch wheels, LED front lights, LED daytime running lights, towel seats, an 8-inch infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4-speaker audio system, keyless entrance, push-button start, climate control, autonomous emergency braking, hillside begin aid, speed up limited etc. Naturally, there is additionally a long listing of choices you can obtain. Several of the highlights are rewards like 2-tone alloy wheels, navigation, a premium stereo, dual-zone environment control, a power liftgate, synthetic natural leather, power adjustable pole positions, electronic instrument display, heated seats, back cross traffic alert, blind spot caution, auto parking sensor.